Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Build with William O'Neill India, dated December 18, 2024. Before we go ahead, I would like to give a disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership, VASL, and certification ISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary, provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security market subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So let's start with Nifty chart analysis. As you can see, last 3 days have been very volatile for Nifty. Before that, Nifty was actually caught in a band between the 100 DMA and the 50 DMA. If we talk about yesterday's session, Nifty fell by around 1.4%, and volumes was pretty decent as well. And on the way, it's reached its 50 DMA and the 100 DMA, and it found support at its 21 DMA, that is the green line. So the current support for Nifty at this moment is 21 DMA. And if you look at from the O'Neill perspective, the market is in a rally attempt where we are searching for a follow through day, that is an up move of 1.5% on higher or higher on volumes higher than the previous day to take the market from a rally attempt to a confirmed uptrend. So the market is in a confirmed uptrend, we know that, I mean, the market is better placed and there will be more breakouts that will be happening, which is expected to sustain, and where, the broader markets can perform well as well. On the flip side, if the recent lows of 23,263.15 gets breached, then we'll go back to a downtrend. So key news are Aditya Birla Realty subsidiary Birla Estate has acquired a land parcel of 70.92 acres in Boisar for 104.3 crores. Inox Wind secured 60 megawatt order from Serentica Renewables to supply 3 megawatt class wind turbines. Piramal Enterprise to consider public issuance of NCDs on December 20. Pondi Oxide and Chemicals opens QIP today. Sets floor flies at rupees 902.93 per share. Jindal said sought to acquire 31.2% equity share of Renew Green MHH1. Exide invested rupees 100 crores in its subsidiary Exide Energy Solution on the rights basis. With this investment, the total investment made by the company in the subsidiary rises to 3152.24 crores. Global market update. Yesterday, all the three US indices closed lower. Dow Jones closed lower by 0.6%, S&P 500 by 0.4%, and Nasdaq by 0.3%. On the Asian market front, Shanghai trading higher by 0.8%, Nikkei trading lower by 0.2%, and Kospi trading higher by 1%. Gift Nifty is indicating a muted opening. It's indicating an open of around 24,353, which is pretty close to yesterday's close, around 20 points here and there. If we talk about the chart of the day, for us is HPL Electric and Power. And as you can see, the stock is forming a cup with handle base at this moment. And it's a very good base, as you can see. If we divide the base into two halves, on the left hand side, when the stock was falling, the stock fell on very low average, on very low volumes. So there was hardly any signs of distribution. On the right hand side of the base, when the stock started moving higher, you could see accumulations happening, which is a good sign, with RS line moving higher, which is also good. If we talk about from the ratings front, master score of 75 is good, EPS of 98 is also good, price strength of 83, and buyer demand of B plus is good. Fund holding is, the quantum is small, but you can see it's doubling, which is a good sign, and it has reached 25, and it's expected to grow since, now the stock has come into a band where, in terms of market cap, where more fund houses can enter into it. So results for the last 7 to 8 quarters have been very good, as you can see, and that is why you can see a good prior uptrend in the stock as well. So this yesterday the stock tried to break out, but came back and base with a good volume. So in the future sessions, if the stock is able to break out an above average volume and stay in the ideal buy zone, definitely a good stock to watch out for. So thank you. That's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Prevail with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday, 8:45 a.m. sharp.